Hello everyone, welcome to class series, and in this video we're gonna be learning the short English summary of the chapter Ninda Ras. This chapter is your first PUC Hindi, so let's get into the summary. This lesson by Harishankar Persai is strong condemnation of the ignorance, pride, selfishness and cheating in the society. The criticism of Harishankar Persai is generally scathing. Here, the author has considered criticism as one of the Navarasas. He believes that everyone takes a dip in criticism and enjoys it. In his opinion, the greatest of criticism is unbeatable. Once the author had an unexpected visit from his friend. The friend spent hours talking nonsense and criticizing others, and then he left. The author had nothing to do with the people his friend criticized. Despite this, he continued to listen to his friend's criticism. The author's friend was a strange man. He had a great collection of the vices of his acquaintances. He would criticize the vices of other people behind their back. Many people enjoyed this criticism. The author says that one must assemble 4 or 5 critics and listen to their commentary and discussion. They begin to criticize others with such gracefulness and entertaining language that one does not feel like living in such an atmosphere. Such critics consider themselves blessed to be able to criticize others. Criticizing others is like a tonic for them. This tonic increases their lifespan and strength. There are association of critics. These associations have presidents, vice presidents, members who actually hold this post. These people are dedicated and involved in their work. The unity and style of functioning of critics association is unparalleled. Those who are victims of deprivation and weakness are the ones who begin to criticize others. Criticizing others does not benefit them in any way. However, these people take great pleasure in criticizing others. The greatness of criticism is infinite. It is limitless. Therefore, one must not criticize critics. The great poet Surdas once said, Ninda sabada rasal, meaning that criticizing is equal to eating a sweet mango. Escaping the all encompassing embrace of critics is a very difficult task. Only a clever person can escape the clutches of critics.